Virtual travel. Press and hold the A button, let go and spawn. On the left side here, it's second down from the top. You'll see that you land on Google Earth, and actually you'll be by default looking at these bookmarks, which were selected by us for you to choose to go to specific places, or you can travel anywhere in the world by searching for places and flying there. So let's pick London. And you'll notice anytime you select a place, you'll always be landing on a pad about a mile up in the sky. And what you want to do is look for that flag and go to the base of it. If you want to go faster, just pull your index and middle fingers. That's how you fly supersonic. As you get closer to objects, they become clearer and clearer. When you land, if you look at something, you're not sure what it is, you can always ask the Gen Assistant. So Gen AI Assistant, press and hold the dipped left controller button, and you can ask the question by releasing it. I'm in London, and I'm looking at a big wheel. What is that?
That is the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel located on the south bank of the River Thames in London, UK. It offers panoramic views of the city and is a popular tourist attraction.
I'm just going to fly around here and check things out. What a beautiful city. If you see something that you like or you're interested in, another technique is to bookmark it. So for example, I see an interesting square here, and I'm not sure what it is. So I'm going to press and hold the A button, go to spawn, and I'll bookmark it. And then I'll look in user bookmarks, and it says Trafalgar Square. So I'm not sure what it is, and I'll ask the Gen AI Assistant. What is Trafalgar Square?
Trafalgar Square is a public square in the heart of London, UK. It is known for its iconic Nelson's Column, which commemorates Admiral Horatio Nelson's victory in the Battle of Trafalgar. The square is surrounded by various landmarks, including the National Gallery, Street, Martin Inn, the Fields Church, and the fountains. It is a hub for cultural events, protests, and New Year's Eve celebrations.
Fantastic. So that's how all this works. If you have a particular address you'd like to look up, just press and hold the A button, and you can try things. For example, Hyatt, London. And when you look these up, you'll find a green cylinder in the location. There it is, right down there. Green cylinder for locations that you search. If you're planning a business trip, you can research the area where you'll be staying. It's a great way to do this. If you are having business meetings, you can take them here. If you just want to socialize and enjoy, just bring some friends, jump in, and go into multiplayer mode here and take them around your city or a city destination or any place on Earth you would like to go to. So that's how all this works. You'll notice that not the whole world is covered in 3D. Some of it, the whole world is covered topographically, so mountains and so on. But buildings are only reserved for maybe a third of the world, 2/3. Most of North America, most of Europe is covered, most of Latin America is covered, some of Asia, and so on. So it's always worth checking, but there's a lot of coverage here, and it's a lot of fun.